You might be wondering, how are we the first people in Disney Adventure World today? Especially after how busy it was yesterday.
Keep watching to see how we managed to get into the park while it was still so quiet, even after the big opening day. We'll also take you around the newly imagined park, Disney Adventure World, and check out the new rides and shows and share some updates as we go. And this park was once known as the worst Disney park, but has the reimagining changed everything? I can't get over how quiet this is compared to yesterday. Busy!
So quiet.
Busy!
So quiet.
Busy! It's crazy, literally like a day after from grand opening, it's this quiet. Well, it is currently closed.
Well, the secret is, best way to get in early and experience the park almost like it's your own is by booking a breakfast reservation at the brand new Disney character dining restaurant, Regal View. This is where you can meet some of the iconic Disney princesses. We've done character dining before with Winnie the Pooh and friends, but this one feels a bit different. It's a set menu rather than a buffet. We were a little worried it wouldn't fill us up, especially at around €60 each, as the portions don't look huge, but honestly, it did the job.
Maybe that's because we ate too much yesterday at Pim's. Round one. Round two. Round three.
What do you think?
Yeah, round four.
The restaurant itself was really nice and we had a genuinely good experience, especially sitting by the window with a great view over the new land. And of course the main highlight is the exclusive time with the Disney characters.
But yeah, we had a good experience, we enjoyed the food, we filled up on loads of unlimited coffee. So now let's head over to the new Gazebo Gardens. Magic Bag. Happy Halloween!
Anyway, next up is the new show with Rapunzel and Flynn, which was actually surprisingly good.
We thought the show was really good and funny, and the ride, yeah, that was good too. And it's nice to finally have a Rapunzel themed attraction here, especially when you compare it to Walt Disney World, where, let's be honest, it's just basically themed toilets. That said, they do have a really nice magic shot here. You can take a photo holding the lantern. Well, it's pretty cool though.
Same song we got on Wednesday, but it still counts.
We're not even spinning it.
Now that the park has fully opened up, it actually feels like a proper theme park. Even just walking down towards Cast Road Trip, it doesn't feel like a dead end anymore. Everything connects better and the whole place just feels more complete. But there is one thing I think they should improve on, and that is indoor spacing. I know they got the new world premiere studio lot, but I feel there should be a bit more cover around the park because it's very big now, and yeah, European weather isn't great. Like even in the Pixar section, maybe having like a walk-through attraction like they got in the Disneyland park with walking through the Aladdin section. Maybe have something with Pixar like we got with the Mundo experience where you walk through these scenes and it's a good photo opportunity. Even something like that, like it's a good throughput attraction. They smell like strawberries? But it's definitely a big improvement, especially considering this park was once known as the worst Disney park. But of course, there's still more to come. You've got the Lion King attraction and the up swinging swing thing. Now that the park is starting to take shape, it's starting to feel more like Epic Universe or Epcot. And now they finally got a nighttime show. Keep watching to see later on. Now it's time to ride Ratatouille, as it's been closed for maintenance and refurbishment for a while, and it's finally reopened today, and it's now not 3D but 2D with some extra props. So let's get shrink down to the size of a rat.
Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what to come here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus, cher ami. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino.
One thing we did notice though, the smell pods on the ride didn't feel as strong as we remembered. Especially on a ride that is themed around food, it feels like it could definitely be improved.
It's also cool that the other lands have now opened up with new pathways, like Toy Story Land.
You must be the new toys. Welcome, I'm Sheriff Woody, and you've got a play date with Destiny.
Now you can get to one side of the park to the other, so that means we can get to our favourite ride easier, and that is Tower of Terror. Ooh. We also watch a couple of shows, and one of our favourites is the Together show, also because the main character in it is called Charlie, so that's pretty cool. It features a live orchestra, and honestly it's what got us into watching more orchestra performances in general. Since then we've seen Harry Potter live, the Disney Sound of Music, oh, not Sound of Music, Sound of Magic, and we've even got Pirates of the Caribbean booked later this year. So yeah, this one definitely stuck with us. Oh, also there's another new parade here, Minnie's marching band was pretty good. There's live music and cool dancing.
With the world of Frozen being the main attraction right now, the rest of the park actually feels really quiet, which means we can get on loads of rides with hardly any wait.
Engineering Brigade a rassemblé les plus brillants ingénieurs au monde. C'est ça. Ok, la journée porte ouverte est annulée. Are you okay? Et je crois que j'ai besoin d'aide. Dualisé. Calibrage des lanceurs d'étoiles. You there, Spider-Man? Je suis là, chérie. Vous en êtes où? Start flinging. Arrêtez le plus de votre possible. Servez-vous de n'importe quelle main.
Incroyable! La réaction en chaîne a fonctionné! Vous avez été...
Spider-Man, tu as très bien résolu.
Oui, mais j'en ai jamais...
Notable.
Retractable panels analyzed.
Recalibrage des sous-systèmes.
Subsystems recalibrated.
Maintenant, balance la sauce dans mes répulseurs.
Repulsors augmented. Consider your hands juiced.
Ça me...
We did also try a few snacks around the park, including some new food items, but we're saving all that for another video. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe as it's coming soon.
Whoa! Star Wars!
And to finish the day, we're heading to watch the new Cascade of Lights show, and the drones in this are honestly so good.
The drones in this show was pretty cool. Luckily we managed to see, as it was quite a windy night, and where the wind was going in our direction, all the smoke was literally going into our faces. Was, yeah, pretty funny. Saying that, we were lucky enough to see the last show where they used drones in Tales of Magic back in the Disneyland Park. As from now on, they are no longer part of the show, as there are drones in Cascade of Lights. But I don't know why they can't have drones in both of the shows, but yeah. So luckily we saw that on the final night. So that's it, that's the end of the video. Yeah, thank you for watching, and yes, Disney Adventure World is definitely becoming a good Disney theme park. Just shame about the name, isn't it? Alright, bye.